With about a week left to file your taxes, it's important to know where you can get free service and how to adjust to this year's three biggest changes on both the federal and state level. The South Norwalk Branch Library and the Norwalk Main Library will continue to offer free federal and state tax prep and filing from now until the April 15th tax due date.
New changes this year is Obamacare, and that's a big deal, never happened before. So with Obamacare, you need to show proof that you have medical health insurance every month for a given year. So in 2014, Husky, Connecticare, Medicare, it doesn't matter what the coverage is or how much you paid for it, but you need to show proof that you have it for yourself and every dependent that you file your taxes for.
Administrators of the AARP Foundation will offer service in conjunction with the IRS with an emphasis on low and middle income households and special attention to those ages 60 and older. Ann Crisci, AARP client facilitator, says the changes associated with the Affordable Care Act will affect a large number of people.
For every month you don't have health insurance, you're fined per person. So it can get kind of hefty, kind of life. So 2014 fines not so much, 2015 bigger, and 2016 is going to be significant fine per person per month that you don't have health coverage. So it's important that everybody go onto the marketplace. In Connecticut we have a great program, take Husky, take anything, but it'll save you in the long run.
Aside from Obamacare, new standard mileage rates have changed. This allows business owners to calculate the tax-deductible cost of driving a vehicle for business purposes. Here's a look at the rate changes for miles driven beginning January 1st, 2015. The third change is the new maximum amount for small business healthcare tax credit. An employer with fewer than 25 full-time equivalent employees that pays an average wage of less than $51,600 a year and pays half of premiums on behalf of employees enrolled in a qualified health plan offered through a small business health options program marketplace or qualifies for an exception to this requirement may be eligible for the small business healthcare tax credit.
The most important papers to bring are your income statements. Because if the bank sends you an interest statement, you got to bring it because the government knows about it, we got to know about it too. Bring your W-2s, bring your 1099s, bring your SSA, 1099 for Social Security, bring your unemployment 1099s, right? All those income statements are required. The other thing you're going to need to bring certainly is photo ID. You need the Social Security number of every dependent you're going to claim. You need to show proof of health coverage. And the most important thing is if you do a refund, we need the routing number and account number from your bank.
For other locations offering free assistance, visit aarp.org/taxaid. In That's Relevant Studio, I'm Priscilla Lombardi.